morning. Chalo, uठते. Let's get on with the day.
You in your eyes, how they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishful thinking of my life, the vision.
I'm still pretty sleepy, but this is how I am in the mornings. I'm not like super chirpy. So anyways, I have to go down to walk Diva, but anytime before I head down, I always need to wear sunscreen. I am that person that needs to slather myself with sunscreen even if I'm going to be in the sun for 15 minutes. So today I'm going to be wearing the Mama Earth Vitamin C Daily Glow Sunscreen. This is what I have.
This has SPF 50 PA++++, and this is a super lightweight formula which gets absorbed into the skin super quickly, and it does not leave a white cast. As a brown skin girly, it's very important to choose a sunscreen that suits my skin tone and does not give me a white cast, so this is definitely a plus. This Mama Earth sunscreen has vitamin C and turmeric in it, which calms the skin and protects it from harmful UV rays, and is safe certified, so it is safe to use every single day.
I will leave a link to this in the description box, and you can use my code Shruti 2025 for a 20% off on Mama Earth website. So definitely check it out.
They're also available online on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa and Purplle, so definitely check it out.
This is honestly the first skincare product like sunscreen that I use in the day before I head out. If I'm wearing something sleeveless, I also like put it all over my bare skin. So now I'm going to go walk Diva, which is honestly my favorite part of the day when I get to spend time with her. So let's go.
When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes, how they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishful thinking of my life, the vision drifting by, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. How does the life go wandering far, until I found a lighthouse in your heart.
I'm now
Guiding
having
me
my
out
breakfast. This is what my breakfast looks like. This is muesli with milk and some fruits. This is my favorite thing to have in the morning. I have shown this in many videos as to what I have in the morning. It is something that I really look forward to. And yeah, I also have a little bit of editing to do. So let's eat breakfast and edit.
Dear love, where did we come from? You say that like the sun. I had the will and mission, but the wrong position. I was open, break.
अच्छा तो क्या है ना, मैं आउटरो शूट करना भूल गई. So this is just me reminding you to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.